Hey gang, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Today I'm looking at a wireless Bluetooth keyboard. The reason why is because I have a wired one now and I want to have something a little bit different. And it's from iClever. It's the BK10. So let's take a quick look at it. Okay, so the box is open. As you can see here, it's very well packed. It came in a nice big box. Everything came within a couple of days, as you always know. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in ordering something like this. So very simple to use. It's rechargeable. It does come with a USB. Let's unpackage it here. Take a look at this together. Guys, have any questions or any comments, leave down below. There are a couple of videos out there, but I wanted to just do my own video because I did need one of these and I was just in the market for a wireless keyboard. So here's the actual keyboard itself. You can see the build quality feels pretty decent, a little light. Compared to the Apple, it's a lot lighter. It does flex back and forth. Now, if you buy the Apple one, it is much more sturdier, but for the price point, it's 3 times the price on the Apple. So this is, for the price point, it's not bad. The back of it is like a plastic. It is the charging port right here, so you charge it right here. As you can see, you just plug it right in here. So it's definitely not USB-C. It's like a micro USB, okay? It does have an on and off button here, and turn that on like that. It's already charged. And just to pair the Bluetooth, you can pair 3 different devices. So if you have a laptop, a desktop, let's say, and you have your iPad, you can actually sync 3 different devices. It has all the functions on top here, as you can see here. It has the escape key, it has the F1 through F12, has the delete. It has all the functions you need to know. It should work with your Apple device. I would imagine it would, but I'll test it and check it out myself and just see how it works. But just want to give you my first impressions about this iClever BK10 keyboard. All right, so any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm gonna test it and check it out. From what I understand, it seems pretty good. The keys feel okay, not too bad. A little stiff, nothing compared to the Apple whatsoever. Obviously, the butterfly keys and new keyboards today are really super soft, just responsive. But I just needed a different keyboard. I needed something wireless. I needed something Bluetooth, and I think this is going to fit the bill. Again, for the price, for 30 bucks, we'll see how it works. Hopefully, it should be okay. Something easy, something portable you can take with you, put in your backpack. It should run around, they say, around 8 hours or so. I think it's what it says. I have to double check on the specs on that. Maybe it's even longer than that. Actually, it should last a long time, actually. So how to pair it very simply is that you press and hold. Let's say there's 3 different numbers, 1, 2, and 3. So you want to press the first device. You just press and hold it, and it activates the Bluetooth on your device. You'll see that pop up in your menu under your Bluetooth device, and you just accept it. And pretty much that's how you connect it. So that's pretty easy. That's pretty simple, and that can be for any device, any 1, 2, or 3, same exact thing. So that's easy to do. Found the information here about the Bluetooth itself. So Bluetooth 5.1 compatible, operating range a little bit less than 10 meters, it says here. Standby time 90 days. So if you don't use this, it'll stay on standby for 90 days. Charge time a little under 2 hours, it says. Uninterrupted work time 90 hours. Lithium battery capacity 280 milliamps. Lithium battery life approximately 3 years. And key life 3 million clicks. So basically, they said they must have checked these 3 million times. So basically, you expected to, I would expect to get 3 to 5 years out of this keyboard, possibly, maybe more, maybe less. This says it's brushed stainless steel, which it is, but it's a very light stainless steel, just to let you know. It does have a little flex to it, but it does work, and it looks pretty decent. All right, guys, that's it. Just a quick opening and a quick review, just to give you a little quick stats on this awesome little keyboard. Any questions or any comments, leave down below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help my channel very much. I do appreciate that. As always, check out all my videos. I have all kinds of cool tech and videos. I just bought a new Mac, about the new monitor, so I got some cool videos out there, so check all those videos out. I'll leave a link above. You'll see that the card at the end of this video. And any questions on this keyboard or anything else, just let me know, as always. Also consider a super thanks for my channel. It helps support my channel, helps me keep doing what I'm doing so I can keep producing these videos to help you learn a little bit about technology and also about everything else. If you see my channel, it's a little bit of everything. All right, guys, I appreciate it, and I'll see you at the next review.